Good morning students. Today we will learn your 11th chapter force, work and energy. Okay. In our daily life we see many things in our surrounding such as table, chair, okay, book, pencil. They all the things that we see in our surrounding, they do not move of in their own. वो अपने आप move कर सकते क्या? नहीं. They do not move their own. So it needs some force to move from one place to another. The push and pull of an object to move from one place to another, it gives a definition of the term force. Okay, so a push or a pull applied on an object is called a force. समझ में आया? What is force? First of all, you define the term force. A push or pull, a push or pull, push or a pull applied on an object is called force. समझ में आया? You have to remember a push or a pull applied on an object is called a force. Then we'll see some effects of force. उसके बाद क्या देखेंगे? Effects of force. Effects of force. Force का क्या क्या सब effects है? चलो देखते हैं. The force can move an object at rest. The force can speed up the moving object. जो moving object को क्या speed up करने के लिए क्या होता है? Force का जरूरत है. Force can change the direction of the moving object. Okay, the fourth one, force can stop a moving object. Force can change the object at the rest. Okay, the force can change the shape of an object. The force can slow down a moving object. These were the effects of the force. Then we'll see the types of force. चलो, the effects of force देखें. Then we'll see the types of force. What are the types of force are there? There are two types of force. Two types of force are there. First one is your gravitational force. Okay. Then second one is your force of friction. Okay. First one is a gravitational force. What is gravitational force? The earth has some gravity. Due to this gravity, it attracts all the things towards itself. For example, when you throw a ball upward, then it comes back to the ground. Due to the gravity of the earth, it attracts towards itself. Then, for example, when we see that a fruit that fall from the tree that fall on the ground, it is also due to the gravitational force. The force by which the earth pull the object towards it is called the gravitational force. Then we will see the second one, what is frictional force. For example, when we roll a ball on the floor, it roll for some times, and after some times it stops. This is due to the frictional force. What is the definition of frictional force? A force that tries to stop a moving object is called force of friction. देखो, the force of friction also see in our daily life also. So friction is essential for us following ways. Writing on a rough surface is easier than the writing on the smooth surface. Second point is, it is difficult to work on very smooth surface as compared to the rough surface. We can sleep on the smooth surface because it has the less frictional force. Okay. Then we will see about some simple machine. चलो, simple machine के बारे में आप देखेंगे. Simple machine means that machines that we are using in our daily life. Okay, these machines we are using in our daily life is called the simple machine. First one is your lever. Second one is your pulley. Third inclined plane. Okay, fourth one is your screw, fifth one is your wedge, then sixth one is your wheel and axle. Okay, what is simple machine? Simple machine are the device that makes our work faster and easier. हमारे काम को क्या कहते हैं, faster and easier करते हैं, इसको हम simple machine में simple machine को कहते हैं. Then there first we'll see about lever. ये lever का क्या है? Lever में it is a simple machine used to cut thing, for example scissor, lift weighting such as example of scissor, open lid, for example bottle opener. The examples goes on this lever. Then we'll say about the pulley. Pulley में क्या है देखो, pulley is a simple machine used to draw water from the well. Okay, that is with the help of a rope and the wheel we can pull the water from the well. This is that used in the villages. You have seen in the well से पानी निकालने से क्या, पानी निकालने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं, रोप यूज करते हैं और एक व्हील यूज करते हैं. This is due to the friction of the group to prevent the rope from slipping off. Then we'll see the inclined plane. Okay, third one is the inclined plane. देखो, inclined plane is used to load heavy barrel sack onto the truck. ट्रक में लोड करने के लिए जो हेवी barrel उसको उठाकर नहीं ले सकते ना, so we use this inclined plane. Inclined plane ऐसे होगा, मतलब इजी से हम उसको लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं और नीचे रोल कर सकते हैं. Then the fourth one is your screw. A screw is used to hold the things together. जब हम कुछ काम करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल काम करते हैं, क्या कुछ नट टाइट करना होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, स्क्रू के हेल्प से हम हमारा काम इजी कर देता है. Then wedge क्या है? Wedge means the one end it will be sharp object, the two things, एक वुड को लेकर और एक मतलब जो भी चीज मटेरियल को लेकर तुम बना सकते हो. It is a simple machine used to cut things, for example axe and knife. Okay, it is consists of two inclined plane joined to form a sharp edge at the one end. Then wheel and axle देखो, the wheel and axle arrangement is made on the wheel and rod. The rod passes through the center. In this way the wheel and axle were formed. देखो, एक wheel होगा, उसके बीच में एक rod क्या होगा, इंक्लाइन हुआ होगा, तो उसे क्या करेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टीयरिंग व्हील एंड बाईसाइकिल में जो पेडल यूज करते हैं, इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द व्हील एंड एक्सेल. देन विल सी वर्क के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. वर्क क्या है देखो, व्हेन वी मूव ए चेयर यू कैन इजीली मूव इट, बट इन द केस व्हेन वी मूव ए वॉल वी कैन मूव इट नो. So in the first case when we move a chair it move, that means here is the work is done. Then second case when we move the wall does not move, we have taken our force but there is no work is done. So work is said to be done only when the force applied on the object make the object move in the direction of the force. इसे क्या कहते हैं, वर्क कहते हैं. Then we'll see what is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy क्या है, जो हमको काम करने के लिए, वर्क करने के लिए क्या कहता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, एनर्जी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लिफ्टिंग, पुशिंग, पुलिंग, ब्रीदिंग, लाफिंग एंड टॉकिंग वी नीड एनर्जी. ऑल ओवर वी नीड एनर्जी टू लिव. Then we'll see about the source of energy. What is the source of energy? हमें एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलता है, हमको पता चला कि without the energy we cannot live. So where from this energy we get? First one is your sun. Okay, sun से हमें जो एनर्जी मिलता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, solar energy. First of all we'll see about sun. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. The solar use the energy to make the food in the green leaves. Solar energy के help से क्या कहते हैं, plant make their food. Solar energy also used for solar cooker, solar heater for cooking and heating purposes. Okay. Then the second one is the wind. Wind energy means the wind से जो एनर्जी हमें मिलता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, wind energy. For example they use the windmill. Windmill में क्या होता है, wind के help से क्या होता है, windmill यूज होता है. It helps to move the sharp generator that produce electrical energy. Then third one is your water. Water से हमें कौन सा एनर्जी मिलता है, वाटर से हमें the flowing of water has a lot of energy. It is called as water energy or hydro energy. Energy of water falling from a dam is used to rotate the turbine of a generator to produce the electricity. So the electricity is produced by the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. ओके, वाटर से जो हमें मिलता है एनर्जी उसको क्या कहते हैं, वाटर एनर्जी. और हाइड्रो एनर्जी जो सन से हमें मिलता है वो सोलर एनर्जी. जो विंड से हमें मिलता है व्हाट इज विंड एनर्जी. दिस थ्री एनर्जी वर डिस्क्राइब्ड इन योर चैप्टर. ओके, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट योर चैप्टर फोर्स वर्कर एनर्जी. थैंक यू.